The Age of Dinosaurs Trilogy, Part 2, The Golden Age. In this video, together we will delve into the historical background and evolutionary process of the dinosaur period, with a focus on the characteristics of the dinosaurs' heyday. First, let's go back to the time of the dinosaurs on Earth, about 230 million years ago. It was an era filled with giant reptiles, marvelous creatures, and magnificent landscapes. Dinosaurs were the most conspicuous and dominant creatures on Earth at that time. Before the time of the dinosaurs, life on Earth was dominated by marine life and early land plants. However, over time, the environment on land became more suitable for life to flourish, and early reptiles emerged. These early reptiles gradually evolved into what we are familiar with as dinosaurs. Some scholars believe that dinosaurs originated from prehistoric reptiles, such as early crocodiles and lizards. These animals had limbs parallel to the ground and bodies lying flat. However, over time, some reptiles began to try to stand and walk, possibly because of changes in their environment, such as the appearance of more competitors or changes in resources. In the process, some dinosaur ancestors gradually developed an upright walking posture and bipedal features. This allowed them to run and pursue prey at higher speeds. This advantage of bipedal walking also came to the fore in evolution and became a unique feature of dinosaurs. As an example, early dinosaurs such as Eoraptor are a good example. It was a small carnivorous dinosaur that lived in Argentina about 230 million years ago. Eoraptor had the ability to walk bipedally and had shorter forelimbs that were better suited for running than crawling. This bipedalism became more prominent in the later evolution of dinosaurs. Another interesting point is that the upright walking and bipedal features of dinosaurs may be related to their metabolic rate. Some scholars have proposed that bipedal walking reduces the area of contact between the body and the ground, thus reducing energy loss and heat production. This advantage of bipedal walking may have allowed dinosaurs to chase prey over longer distances or to better regulate body temperature in hot climates. In conclusion, the origin and evolution of dinosaurs has been a journey of wonder and discovery. Through the study of fossils and remains, we are gradually unraveling the story of the dinosaurs. From the early ancestors of reptiles to the gradual development of bipedal features for upright walking, the evolutionary path of dinosaurs has been amazing. Now, let's focus on the heyday of the dinosaurs. This period is usually considered to be the period from about 145 million years ago to 65 million years ago. During this period, dinosaurs experienced unprecedented growth and became the rulers of the terrestrial ecosystem. During the heyday of the dinosaurs, a wide variety of dinosaur species existed on Earth. There were huge phytophagous dinosaurs, such as the famous Giraffeosaurus and Triceratops, which fed on a variety of plants. There were also fearsome carnivorous dinosaurs, such as Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, which fed on other dinosaurs and animals. These dinosaurs competed and hunted fiercely with each other, creating an intricate food chain. The Earth's environment also changed dramatically during the heyday of the dinosaurs. The climate was usually warmer and more humid, and many areas were covered in dense forests. This provided dinosaurs with a rich source of food and a suitable habitat. Rivers, lakes, and swamps also provided water for dinosaurs, allowing them to breed and live around these bodies of water. In addition to the diversity and abundance of species, the heyday of the dinosaurs witnessed some amazing evolutionary innovations. For example, certain dinosaurs evolved feathers, which provided them with warmth, display, and flight. These feathered dinosaurs provide us with a deeper understanding of dinosaur appearance and behavior. In addition, the heyday of dinosaurs witnessed some important events, such as mass migrations of dinosaurs, nest construction, and social behavior. These phenomena suggest that dinosaurs had complex communication and social structures among themselves that allowed them to survive and reproduce in a highly competitive ecosystem. Archaeologists have discovered huge pits of dinosaur bones and ashes in Mongolia, suggesting that dinosaurs may have engaged in collective egg-laying and nest-protecting behaviors. This social behavior shows the evolutionary advantage dinosaurs had in reproducing and expanding their populations. Another interesting example is the ceratopsian dinosaurs with hard helmets. These helmets may have been used to protect their heads in fights, or they may have been used to attract the opposite sex or to show their dominance. Such evolutionary traits made competition between dinosaurs more intense and interesting. During this period, dinosaurs were found almost all over the world. Whether in North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, or even Australia and Antarctica, dinosaur tracks have been found. Now let's take a look at the Earth's environment and climate conditions during the heyday of dinosaurs. The Earth at that time could be considered a dinosaur paradise. During the heyday of the dinosaurs, the Earth's climate was usually warm and humid. Compared to today, the global climate has warmed up and most areas are covered by vast forests. These dense forests provided dinosaurs with a rich source of food and habitat. The tall trees in the forests provided the shade and protection the dinosaurs needed, as well as an ideal habitat for flying dinosaurs. During the heyday of the dinosaurs, a series of important geological events took place on Earth that were closely related to their evolution and prosperity. Let's take a look at some of the most dramatic of these events. During the heyday of the dinosaurs, the continents on Earth began to break up to form the beginnings of some of the modern continents. This continental breakup led to movements of the Earth's crust and changes in geological formations, providing dinosaurs with different types of habitats. For example, continental breakups led to the formation of new coastlines and river systems, providing opportunities for dinosaurs to breed and feed. Volcanic activity on Earth was relatively frequent during this period. Volcanic eruptions released large amounts of gases and ash, which had an impact on the climate. Some scholars believe that volcanic eruptions may have contributed to climate changes in the atmosphere, such as fluctuations in temperature and changes in rainfall patterns. These changes had a significant impact on the ecosystems and food chains of the dinosaurs. In addition, during the heyday of the dinosaurs, the Earth experienced continuous changes in sea level. Rising and falling sea levels led to changes in marine ecosystems, affecting food chains in the oceans and food sources for dinosaurs. For example, declining sea levels may have exposed more land, allowing dinosaurs to expand their habitats and migrate. Also, a number of ocean anoxic events occurred on Earth. These events have resulted in lower oxygen levels in the oceans, negatively impacting marine life. However, this ocean anoxia may have provided an advantage for dinosaurs. In an oceanic anoxic environment, dinosaurs may have gained a competitive advantage by adapting to the low oxygen environment, further reproducing and expanding their populations. These geological events are inextricably linked to the evolution and prosperity of dinosaurs. They provided dinosaurs with a wide variety of ecological environments and resources that allowed them to reproduce, evolve, and dominate the planet. As an interesting example, one species of carnivorous dinosaur lived near a river in the heyday of the dinosaurs. Due to changes in the river system as a result of the breaking up of the continents, the habitat of this dinosaur changed. Originally, they were used to foraging along the wide riverbanks, but as the rivers were rerouted, they were forced to adapt to their new environment. These dinosaurs began to evolve gradually, developing longer legs and better swimming ability to chase prey in the rivers. Such adaptive evolution allowed them to survive and reproduce in the new ecosystem. Another interesting example involves changes in sea level. A type of dinosaur that fed on plants in the ocean, they usually sought food near the coastline. However, due to the drop in sea level, some coastlines were exposed and new land bridges were formed. These dinosaurs used the land bridges to migrate to new areas and find more food resources. They may have even bred on land, forming new subspecies or species. In short, the geologic context of the dinosaur heyday provided a wealth of opportunities and challenges for dinosaurs to evolve and prosper. Geological events such as continental breakups, volcanism, sea level changes, and ocean anoxic events all shaped dinosaur ecosystems and drove their evolution. These stories have given us a better understanding of the history of the dinosaurs and allowed us to marvel at the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Now let's reveal the diversity and classification of dinosaur species. The world of dinosaurs is a colorful one, filled with different kinds and shapes of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are divided into two main orders, the lizard-footed dinosaurs and the theropod dinosaurs. Sauropods were usually herbivorous, with long necks, long tails, and large bodies. In contrast, theropod dinosaurs were usually carnivorous, with strong hind legs and sharp, sharp claws. Within each order, dinosaurs are further categorized into different families, genera, and species. These classifications are based on the dinosaur's bone structure, body features, cranial shape, and several other subtle characteristics. By studying and comparing fossils, we can learn about many different kinds of dinosaurs. Now, let's recognize some typical dinosaur species and learn about their characteristics and lifestyles. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex is one of the most famous dinosaurs and one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. It had strong hind legs and huge jaws containing sharp teeth that it used to tear down its prey. The Tyrannosaurus rex was the apex predator and lived in North America during the late Cretaceous. Its huge size and powerful bite made it a dominant force in the world of dinosaurs. Brachiosaurus. The Brachiosaurus is one of the most famous representatives of the lizard-footed dinosaurs. It had a long neck and tail, as well as a huge body. Long-necked dinosaurs lived in North America and Africa during the Cretaceous period and ate leaves as their main diet. Their long necks allowed them to reach leaves high up in the trees, and their powerful hind legs enabled them to support their enormous weight. Triceratops. Triceratops was an herbivorous dinosaur with a triangular helmet and horns. It lived in North America during the late Cretaceous and is one of the most famous and widely recognized dinosaurs. Sheep snakes used their helmets and horns for defense and fighting to protect themselves from predators. These are just a few representative species from the world of dinosaurs that demonstrate the diversity of dinosaurs in shape, size, and lifestyle. Dinosaurs displayed amazing adaptations and competitive advantages in different ecosystems. Their diversity allowed them to occupy a wide variety of ecological niches and find their way to survive in different environments. For example, theropod dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus rex possessed great hunting ability and speed, making them top predators. They were at the top of the food chain and sustained themselves by preying on other dinosaurs or animals. This competitive advantage made theropod dinosaurs dominant in many ecosystems. On the other hand, lizard-footed dinosaurs such as sauropods demonstrate adaptations to eat plants. They possessed long necks and tall bodies that allowed them to reach leaves and plants on trees for abundant food resources. This adaptation allowed lizard-footed dinosaurs to prosper in different types of ecosystems, such as forests and grasslands. In addition, the size and structure of dinosaurs also played an important role in their ability to compete in different ecosystems. For example, the helmets and horns of Sheepsaurus gave them an advantage in fighting and defense, allowing them to protect themselves and their family in the face of predators. This competitive advantage allowed the Sheepsaurus to survive in a highly competitive environment. Overall, the diversity and adaptability of dinosaurs allowed them to thrive in different ecosystems. Their morphological features, food habits, and behavioral strategies are the result of a long evolutionary process that made them one of the most successful animals on Earth during the age of the dinosaurs. Point 4. Dinosaur ecosystems and food chains. Now let's take a look at the hierarchical structure of the dinosaur ecosystem. The dinosaur ecosystem is a complex and interesting system made up of a variety of different organisms. First, we have the plant layer. This is the foundation of the ecosystem and provided the food source for dinosaurs and other animals. In the age of the dinosaurs, plants included a variety of trees, ferns, and other low vegetation. They formed various types of habitats on land such as forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Next is the herbivorous dinosaur layer. This layer includes a wide variety of herbivorous dinosaurs such as sauropods, triceratops, and stegosaurs. They relied on eating plants for energy and nutrients. Herbivorous dinosaurs are at a lower tier in the food chain, and they depend directly or indirectly on the plant layer. Then there is the carnivorous dinosaur layer. This layer includes a wide variety of carnivorous dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus rex, Velociraptor, and Tyrannosaurus rex. They are the top predators in the food chain, feeding on other dinosaurs and animals. The existence and prosperity of the carnivorous dinosaur layer depends on the existence of the herbivorous dinosaur layer, as their food source is mainly herbivorous dinosaurs. In addition, there are other layers of organisms that include flying dinosaurs, e.g., pterosaurs, aquatic dinosaurs, e.g., snake-necked dinosaurs, and other small reptiles, insects, and birds. They played different roles in the dinosaur ecosystem and had complex interrelationships with the dinosaurs. The ecological balance and species interactions during the heyday of dinosaurs is a very interesting topic. During that period, there were many dinosaur species, and the ecosystem showed a relatively stable state. First of all, the diversity of dinosaur species played an important role in maintaining the ecological balance. Various dinosaur species occupied different ecological niches in the ecosystem, avoiding excessive competition for resources. For example, different types of herbivorous dinosaurs may have different food preferences and life habits, and they search for food in different plant layers, which reduces the pressure of competition. In addition, interactions among dinosaurs are important for maintaining ecological balance. For example, the predatory behavior of carnivorous dinosaurs can control the number of herbivorous dinosaurs, avoiding the destruction of vegetation by overgrazing. This predation pressure also prompted herbivorous dinosaurs to evolve faster speeds and stronger defense mechanisms to adapt to the threat of carnivorous dinosaurs. Interactions between species during the dinosaurs' heyday may also have been realized through other mechanisms. For example, some dinosaurs may have formed groups or herd structures to increase the effectiveness of predation and defense. This group behavior could have provided better chances of survival and contributed in part to the reproduction and evolution of the species. Now let's explore how dinosaurs reproduced and their reproductive behavior. Although we cannot directly observe the reproductive behavior of dinosaurs, we can get some information about them through the fossil record and modern biology. Dinosaurs reproduced in two main ways: oviparous and fecund. Most dinosaurs adopted ovoviviparity, which means they reproduced their offspring by laying eggs. Dinosaurs' eggshells were usually made of limestone, similar to those of modern birds. These eggshells are preserved in the fossil record and provide us with important clues about dinosaur reproduction. Regarding the reproductive behavior of dinosaurs, we can make inferences from the behavior of modern birds and reptiles, to which dinosaurs are closely related. For example, some modern birds engage in courtship displays, such as wing swinging and singing, to attract the opposite sex. Similarly, dinosaurs may have attracted mates through display behavior. Regarding the social structure and group behavior of dinosaurs, however, some fossil evidence and reasoning can give us some clues. First, the discovery of some dinosaur fossils suggests that they may have formed groups or herd structures. For example, some dinosaur fossils have been found with large numbers of individuals of the same species clustered together in relatively small areas. This could mean that they had herd behavior and formed a social structure. In addition, some dinosaur fossils show differences in age structure. This suggests that dinosaurs may have had social relationships between individuals of different ages, such as caretaking relationships between adult and juvenile dinosaurs. The existence of such social relationships implies that dinosaurs may have had some degree of sociality. Population dynamics and reproductive strategies during the heyday of dinosaurs are a fascinating topic. During that period, dinosaurs were so diverse that they occupied a variety of different ecological niches on Earth. In terms of population dynamics, the number and variety of dinosaurs may have varied in different regions and at different times. This may be related to factors such as environmental conditions, resource availability, and competitive pressures. Some areas may have higher densities of dinosaurs, while others may have lower densities. Such changes in population dynamics may lead to migration and dispersal of dinosaurs. Regarding the reproductive strategy of dinosaurs, we can reason by studying the reproductive behavior of birds and reptiles. One possible reproductive strategy is seasonal breeding, similar to modern birds. Dinosaurs may have chosen the most suitable time to breed based on the seasons to ensure the survival success of their young. In addition, some dinosaurs may have adopted a strategy of nest protection. Similar to modern reptiles, they may have chosen suitable locations to build nests in which to lay their eggs. Such nests would have provided protection and temperature regulation, which would have aided the hatching and growth of the young. Dinosaur reproductive strategies may also involve selection and competition in reproductive behavior. Some dinosaurs may engage in courtship competition, such as displaying flashy decorations and behaviors to attract the opposite sex. Such competition may have resulted in some individual dinosaurs being more dominant in reproduction. It is worth noting that some researchers have proposed the hypothesis that dinosaurs co-parented. According to this hypothesis, dinosaurs may have formed nursery groups that shared care of their young. This could increase the survival rate of the pups and contribute to the reproductive success of the group. That's all for this installment. Thanks for watching.